Home design in Coppell often blends clean lines, thoughtful layouts, and an emphasis on comfortable living spaces. Homeowners value features that enhance light, openness, and visual appeal without overwhelming the home's overall style. Bow windows align perfectly with these priorities, making them a natural fit for many Coppell home designs. Their elegant curve, expansive glass, and versatile design benefits elevate both interiors and exteriors in a subtle yet impactful way. Complementing balanced architecture, many Coppell homes feature balanced, symmetrical designs with clean rooflines and well-proportioned facades. Bow windows enhance this aesthetic by adding gentle curvature rather than sharp angles. Their smooth, rounded shape softens the exterior while maintaining architectural harmony. Unlike more rigid window styles, bow windows blend seamlessly with both traditional and modern designs commonly found in Coppell neighborhoods. They add interest without feeling out of place or overly bold. Enhancing natural light throughout living spaces, bow windows are known for their ability to bring in light from multiple angles. Made up of several glass panels, they allow sunlight to enter the home throughout the day, creating bright and welcoming interiors. For Coppell homeowners, this abundance of natural light makes living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms feel more open and comfortable. Brighter spaces also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, enhancing everyday living. Creating a sense of space without major renovation. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is the depth they add to interior spaces. By extending outward from the home's exterior wall, they create the feeling of additional room without requiring a full remodel. In Coppell homes, this extra dimension often becomes a cozy seating area, reading nook, or decorative focal point. The added space enhances functionality while maintaining the home's original footprint. Supporting versatile interior design, the curved shape of bow windows offers flexibility in interior design. Their layout allows for creative furniture placement and layered window treatments that complement the room rather than dominate it. Coppell homeowners appreciate how bow windows serve as a natural focal point. They frame outdoor views beautifully and add visual interest that elevates the overall interior design. Improving comfort and airflow options, bow windows can include operable panels that support ventilation. These sections allow homeowners to enjoy fresh air while maintaining the window's wide, panoramic look. This combination of beauty and practicality makes bow windows especially appealing in Coppell homes, where comfort and usability are just as important as design. Enhancing curb appeal in subtle ways from the outside, bow windows add depth and architectural character. They break up flat wall surfaces and create a more dynamic facade without overwhelming the home's appearance. Coppell homeowners often choose bow windows because they enhance curb appeal in a refined, understated way. The result is a home that looks polished, inviting, and thoughtfully designed. Adding long-term value to the home, features that combine style, comfort, and functionality tend to hold lasting value. Bow windows are widely recognized as an attractive architectural element, making them appealing to future buyers. Even if selling isn't an immediate goal, Coppell homeowners benefit from knowing that bow windows contribute to long-term property appeal and livability. A design choice that feels intentional. Bow windows feel like a natural extension of Coppell home designs because they align with the area's emphasis on comfort, balance, and visual harmony. They enhance light, create space, and add elegance without disrupting the home's character. For homeowners looking to elevate their living spaces while maintaining a cohesive design, bow windows are a thoughtful and enduring choice, one that fits effortlessly into the Coppell lifestyle.